Hi, in this video, as we told, we have seen the role settings of the administrator. Now let us see for the branch users. The branch users has the role of add, create items, categories with the stock details. If they have with stock or without stock, they can maintain it, and they can take new orders like cake orders or party orders. Then they can make bills, sales bills, and they can have the reports, and they can day close. So all the things we can see in this video about all the branch users. So this is login for the branch user. I log inside. So once I get login, I have the dashboard of total number of bills, sales happened. So you can see total sales, total bill count is 1, total amount received is 100, cancel bill is nil, cancel amount is 0, amount detail is cash. So cash has been received for that one bill is 100, there is no card bill. And the same way, total number of orders is 0, total amount, and cancel bills of the cancel orders and cancel amount. So total cash details and card details of the particular orders, today's orders. And these are the order delivery details. So today if we have any order delivery, it will be appearing in this section. And we have new delivery option, new bill option, new order option, new product adding, sales report, check stock. So these are shortcuts of the particular system. So if you can see here the master settings like table master, attender master, UOM master. Table master something, but if it's a restaurant, then we have multiple tables, same way for bakery also. So we can make bill for a particular table in a KOT format. So you can have a KOT app, where the KOT app, using that KOT app, all the orders will be directly sent to the kitchen itself. So this is a table master, and KOT bills can be created, and can combine all the KOTs, and you can complete the billing. This is a table master. And the same way attender master, the employees of the particular branch can be added here. Then UOM master, so UOM is unit of measurement. Then tax type, group, item. Group and item are integrated as category and item, what are the items available in the particular branch. So if you want, you can create a particular item, so I'll help you on that. I'll click add button. You can create birthday cakes, and you can create cheesecakes. So we have some items here. I've created some categories here. So cheesecake, I just create one, chocolate cake. So I create chocolate cake. On print, I can mention any other different name. So if it can be CC as an item, I can remove this one. If I click CC, button, it will show us chocolate cake. So serial number if we want to have anything, and HSN code based on the requirement. Then tax details on that. Then rate. So I have added the rate. So it's for one number, one piece, or for example, if it is a big cake, then you can go for kgs or piece. So one piece is 200 chocolate cheesecake. So if you want to display online or minimum stock details, anything you can mention, and you can save it. So automatically it will be saved. Okay. So we have created chocolate cake in the print, but it will show as CC. This is item. So this way you can create items. Otherwise you can bulkily upload it at the same time, and you can make this item to all the branches. So you will not worry about to add all the items in each branch. If you have multiple, you can create this item, and you can map all these items to all the branches the same way. It will be synchronized with the system itself. And combo master. So for example, if I have a combo offer this week, I can create any assorted box, combo name like this is April summer sales. So I can create n number of like Pepsi, one quantity. The rate, it can be 25. I give it for 25, 20 rupees. Okay, actually it is 25, but I give at a rate of 20. And along with that, you can go for chocolate cake. CC is chocolate cake, and actually it's 200. When you go for combo, it comes with the rate of like 195. Okay, so I complete these two as one. So April summer sales combo has these two items at the rate of 215. Actual rate is 225. It comes for 215 itself. So I save it. So the added combo detail is mentioned here. It's active. Okay, so next I go for sales type master. Sales type are different types of sale. Wherever I get orders, I can add the details like add direct, Uber, Swiggy, all type of sales aggregator details can be added. So what is the payment type? What is the commission or margin should I pay to them? What is the GST percentage for that commission? And what is the payment gateway I receive it? So I have linked my different account to the particular Swiggy, Zomato, anything, Uber or something. It can be Winnie Cake or something. So I have to mention what kind of payment gateway. So I can segmentize and get that particular report, that particular order in that particular payment gateway. So if it is inclusive of rate or it's a normal bill, it's a discount, it's an order count, you can mention what type of sales based on that. So what are the payment mode selection? It can be cash. For this particular payment type, what are the payments are allowed. Like for example, if you select Uber, then you can allow only online, for example, or Paytm. So if it is direct, you can allow anything. So you can allow cash, phone pay, online. If you don't allow cash, only online for the direct, you can do it. So what type of sales and what type of payment mode you want to receive it from can be mapped here. So other things like contact and branch we have already seen in the admin master itself. So next we can go for a KOT sales. As I told you, we have two types of sales. One is table based and one is POS counter based. Okay, so KOT is nothing but for the table. So these are tables were created in the particular table master. So I now click on a particular table. Now people have occupied. So they have ordered for a beverage, one Pepsi and something like that. I can go for cheesecake or anything, and I can click on chicken lollipop. So the chicken Manchurian. So they have ordered 3 items, and so now I just send it for the ordering to the production to the kitchen. Okay, you have to select the attendant name in case if it is required. This can be seen in your Android tab or Android phone itself. This is available in the Android app separately, or else if you want to use in the system also, it's possible. So you can, there is an option to, as I showed in the admin video, we have option in the Android app as well as the POS system. Now if you click this print KOT, so this particular table 1A of KOT number 5, it's a dine-in type of today's date and time. These 3 items will be sent to the print KOT to the kitchen. So now 1A has been occupied, it shows in different color. Now again 1A people are again ordering for another item, like they go for chicken lollipop again, and so they click for print KOT. Now the again print has been sent. So totally there are two types of print two KOT has been sent. If you want to see total number of items, so total number of items are listed out here. For first 3 and next one 4 items are there, and you can see SGST, CGST, tax detail. There is no tax for this, and everything is included. You can see here discount check, enter OTP. This is nothing but you can mention whether you want to provide a discount or not, and with the permission of the manager or administrator. So if you click this, what will happen is automatically if you want to enter discount like 10% discount, automatically an OTP will be shared to the administrator. Once the administrator is approving, he provides the OTP, you have to enter it. Otherwise the discount won't be allowed. This restriction is nothing but to help the administrator to get a knowledge about to whom the employee is providing the discount, whether it's a valid discount or he is giving invalidly. You can know that. So no one can provide discount without the knowledge of the administrator. This is an two-way security. In case if you want to disable it, you can do it. It's up to the user. So if you want to make settlement, automatically a bill will be generated. Settlement will be done. So once it is completed, automatically that bill will be appearing in the front. So this is the billing done by the Rajaram, and if you want to see the print, you can click and see the print. So this is the one type. Second option 2, what we have shown. So these details were added and total number of tax details has been generated here. So the logo, everything can be changed based on the requirement. Okay. So as I said, you can cancel this order, you can view the details about these particular products. Everything can be seen. So otherwise, this is one type. This is type of KOT. If you are sending each and every time a KOT to the particular kitchen. If you are not going to use this type of billing, if you want a normal counter billing, then it's easier. Then you can go to the sales and you can click add new bill. In this add new bill, you can see the same type of billing. This can be either used in touch mouse, or you can kiosk, or you can use your keyboard. So when you click on, you will get this item, automatically it will show you. Okay, same way for this summer sales. If you have to add the stock, because we have added with the stock, so it is not allowing to add because we don't have stock for this. So to enable the stock, once we have added the products in the item master, we have added the items, but we didn't add the stock. So to add the stock, we have GRN plus or minus is nothing but to add the stock, but we have to add the stock first. I click it, and so I add the employee name and assorted box. For example, I have created the assorted box and I have to create the item, then I have to enter the quantity. Same way, I have created cheesecake of CC, chocolate cake, right? So that quantity can be added 10, and you can save it. Automatically it will be saved. And now we can start again billing with the cheesecake. So you can either add in this way, otherwise you can go for CC, easier to type, and we can add one quantity. Automatically the quantity 1 is been increased. So I'll show you again. I click CC, I enter 1 and I type 1. So automatically with the keyboard will be very much easier. Some few people feel that keyboard typing will be easier. Few think that using mouse will be easier. Few think that kiosk will be easier, touch screen will be easier. So all the 3 options are available. You can choose either one. And the next thing is the types of sales, whether it's a direct sales or staff credit or direct credit customer, something like that. So what's the payment mode, and what's the employee name, customer name. When if he's an existing customer, when you enter, automatically name will appear. Otherwise you have to enter the name for the first time. From second time it will be shown once the number is typed. He is a registered customer, something like the regular customer. Okay, select the attender name. Okay, the one, so I have to add another one. So I can add, if you want to add 2 or 1, anything. If you want to change any settings, like you want to remove it or you want to reduce the quantity, you can do either way. So on right hand side you can see like print bill, reset bill, cancel the bill, hold the bill. Hold the bill is nothing but when your counter is busy but the customer is searching for some change, he's making to wait, then you can hold the particular bill. I click the hold bill. Now number 1, money is being waiting. So the next person comes and you can start billing for the next customer. So this way it will help you to make the movement of the customer easier. So the customer will not wait for a long time. So you can close this bill. So you can close this bill, second bill first. Now second bill is closed, and if you want to again take the first bill, click on the particular bill and print it. So automatically it will be appearing. So this way you can clear the bill easily. So this is the sales. So 2 types of sales I have shown you. Stock return is there. Stock return, where you have to return the stock. The stock where it is received can be returned. It can be returned to the supplier itself or to the production center or to any branch. So you can mention what is the reason you are returning, whether it's a compliment or damage or date bar, staff credit sales, stock plus or minus, stock consumed, work, anything wrong, GRN, It can be any reason. You can select that reason and you can select the sub reason. You can select any other reason. Damage, date bar. What is the date bar reason? Before the date, fungus after the date. So if you have received any bread with fungus, what is the reason? So it is a old stock has been received. You can mention that one and you can enter the particular product, bread and item, then available quantity. You can mention it. So this is the way you can return the stock also to the production center. And next come you can change the reason if in case by accident you have added some other reason. If you want to change the reason, you can change the reason here. And this is nothing but the payment entry. What are the expenses you are incurring in the branch? For example, in the branch you may expense EB, water, petrol expenses, fare, salary, anything. It can be any account. So all these will be listed out in the daily closing stock. Daily close report is there. That report will be having all these profit, income, expenses, everything. So administrator can in a particular place he can see all the report details. Okay, so the next thing is bill settlement. This bill settlement is nothing but by mistake customer told that I'll pay you cash. Okay, so you complete a cash bill. After that, the customer is telling, oh, I don't have enough cash, I'll make a online payment. At that time, you cannot go and again delete the bill. Instead, what you can do is, here there is an option. So this is a cash bill. So number 10 is a cash bill. Now I change to a card bill. That is possible. Now I click and process the bill. Now it comes under the card bill. So when you want to take a report, how much cash is available in your denomination box, in your cash box to submit to the manager. So it will be easier for the employee to mention what is the card bill and what is the cash bill to tally the cash box money available. So if you want to either change a cash to card or card to cash, again you want to change to any Paytm, you can process the bill and you can make the Paytm bill, either or the way. Okay, so this is the bill settlement. Same way for the order settlement. The orders, so we have segmented bills and orders separately, but the same functionality runs for the same. Okay, this is a stock, GRN plus or minus is nothing but stock adjustment. And all the order reports, cancelled reports, today orders, sales, customer sales report, types of sales, summary sales, margin. Sales margin is nothing but, for example, if this branch is a particular for example, so this particular margin report is nothing but, so you run a particular franchise and you want to see how much margin can be received can be shared to the administrator. All the reports can be seen here. Total number of form reports. So for particular day, all the sales report. I'll show you the sales report. So you can see here, this is a big branch name and what are the bills. So you can split up and see each one by item wise. You can see how much cash bills and how much online bills or card bills based on the bills. So you can print out this. So how much of discount has been provided. You can see that. Sales type. If you want to see a summarized one or if you want to see a detailed one. So it's a summarized one. If you want to see a detailed one, you can see by the item name, the type, payment mode, sales type, order number, bill number, and whether it's an order or bill, it will show you based on that. Then you see the GST details, how much amount, discount, commission amount, and all those details, everything will be split up. So you need not see for a particular, you can see for a particular week or month or year. You can take a report for that. And summary report. So the summary reports are the product wise report. So you can see how much of item has been sold for a particular product, category wise. So based on category, beverages how much sold, cheesecake how much sold, starter how much sold, and so category in detail. Like you can see in each category what are the items sold and for which bill and what is the payment mode also. You can see in a very much detailed way. So the same for product also. Pepsi, for which bill has been used and what is the payment mode. So chicken lollipop, for which bill it has been added, for what is the payment mode. Each and everything will be cleanly detailed. So you want to see quantity wise, you can see quantity wise for which branch. So you can see for beverages, cheesecake starter, total number of quantity. Cheesecake, total number of quantity. Beverages, total number of quantity. On totally 15. So you can see a very clean report. You can download into Excel sheet also. So this is about all the orders and sales. Okay, now let us see how to take the cake orders. Now we have order section. In this order section we have order form. So already there are some pending orders, or there are some upcoming orders. So whether something has been delivered, nothing has been delivered. So there are many pending orders. So if you want to add a new order, I click new order. I have to enter a bill book number. Okay, so I add an order now. Now 005 is an order book number. I have a separate book, so I have to mention that one, and whether it's a production type, right? So I enter the customer number and automatically name appears because I used for the bill, right? Same thing will be linked with this, and you have to mention what is the delivery date for the particular cake order or party order, and it can be for 5th, and delivery time can be 6 o'clock evening, 6 p.m. I select the category. So they asked for cheesecake CC of 20 quantity. 24,000 rupees is total, and there is no need for model image, or you can add it in case if it is required. So fine. And the next comes the what is the occasion for they are asking for. This can be used for future. For example, this you can take the report of the next day, next year. The same customer will be and you can it will be mentioned what kind of function, what kind of occasion they have ordered for, and you can send a reminder SMS to the particular customer, mention that last year you have ordered for this particular item on this occasion, would like to reorder again. So it is like upselling or something like that. A customer will be feeling very much customized that you are taking care of their occasion. Okay, reminders can be sent whether you want same way. It's a total of 4,000, and so balance 4,000. If they want to pay the advance or partially, for example, okay, advance of 2,000 rupees they are paying. So advance, so reminder is 2,000 rupees. Okay, so whether they are direct customer or from online, it's a direct customer. Okay, so pickup location, they want to, their nearby location will be another area. So automatically this cake order which has been ordered from one location can be taken the pickup from another location to a nearby location. You can change it if you want to add in delivery charges or any order taken by. Same way as the discount, you have to mention the discount, who is going to take a discount. So if it accepts, it's a password is wrong. Okay, so if it accepts, the discount will be allowed. So for this particular attender, only 100 rupees is a maximum discount allowed. More than that, it's not allowed. So the settings can be done from the super admin itself. Okay, once it is done, you can save it. Automatically a print will be appearing. This is a order print. So I'll just zoom it and show you what is this. Order number, book number, date and time, name of the customer, item name, and the details, and how much advance is paid, and advance is paid by cash. Okay, this is a payment history taken by this particular employee. So it will be easier for us to identify how much of balance amount to be received. Easier for us, right? Okay. So now again you can see order form. You can see this customer has to pay balance of 2,000. When they come for taking delivery, automatically they can see this. You can take a printout again, and if you want to cancel this order, or if you want to edit this, or if we come again and you want to take for a payment, he again make a payment, the customer at time of delivery. He can complete the payment, pay amount. It will show you what is the previous transaction. You can complete this pay. Okay, so automatically this order has been completed. This will be completed. Total amount is paid. So it will be completed. So this is all about this is a dashboard. Now we have seen this total number of sales, amount. So you can see here order delivery, the upcoming order delivery, which has been on 5th. So it will show till the 5th, 6 p.m. So it will appear like this, and the total number of orders received, and it is received by cash, not card. So same way, this is also cash. So we can segmentize based on this. Okay, so there are cash bills and card bills, and all these will be seen in the report itself. So we have delivery details, new bill, new order, new products, sales report, check stock report. So this is all about a particular branch. So same way you can use it for n number of branches. All those n number of branches can be interlinked. That interlinked details can be seen by the administrator. This runs online and offline. And if you want to contact us, you want to have an online demo, then do contact us at the number of 9123515998 or visit our website www.bigdbiz.com. Thank you.